Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we're going to discuss how to turn off safe mode Samsung phone. Let's watch this video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to turn off safe mode on Samsung phone with 5 best fixes. Solution 1. Restart your Samsung Galaxy phone. Rebooting your Samsung phone troubleshoots all the small niggles that you face. You can even use this to turn off the safe mode. To do this, press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Wait for the device to restart. Solution 2. Uninstall any recently installed apps. If your problem started after a new app was installed, try uninstalling it. If you are unable to turn off safe mode due to an incompatible or malfunctioning app, removing it may fix your problem. Solution 3. Check for system software update. Many Samsung users don't usually think of updates as useful in fixing problems. In fact, the opposite is true. Installing the software updates not only fixes known bugs but they can also prevent future glitches from developing. To do this, go to Settings app on your Samsung phone. Then, find and tap on About Device or Software Update. After this, tap on Download and Install. Solution 4. Factory reset your Samsung device. Factory reset is often effective in fixing software-related or display problems. If the main reason for this issue is due to a glitch in the software, and not hardware, factory reset will most likely help in this regard. But, before you begin, it is recommended to create a backup. For this, open the settings on your Samsung phone. Go to the General Management. Click on the Backup and Reset. At this time, tap on the Erase All Data option. Finally, click on the Delete All Data button. After doing this, restart your phone. Now, check if the incoming calls not showing issue is resolved. Solution 5. Use Android Repair Tool. If you are looking for an automatic way to turn off safe mode on Samsung, then opt for the Android Repair Tool. This software can solve Android/Samsung system errors and issues easily. So, if you want to try this software, simply download it on your PC, the link given in the description box below. Once downloaded, you will be asked, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on Yes. Then, install it on your PC by clicking on Install option. Click on Start Now option. Launch Android Repair Tool. Here find and click on System Repair Tool from the various functions. Connect your Samsung device to a PC using a correct cable. Then, click on Android Repair option among 3 options. At this time, you have to provide your device information like choose the correct brand, model, name, carrier details and country/region. Confirm the warning. Click Next button. This Android Repair Tool might erase all your Android device data. Enter the value 60 to proceed. Consider booting your Samsung phone/tablet in a download mode before using Android Repair. In order to boot your phone/tablet in a DFU mode, follow the below steps. Device with a home button. Switch off your Android phone/tablet. Next, press and hold volume down plus home plus power buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. Now, release the buttons and press a volume up button in order to enter a download mode. Device without home button. Turn off your Android phone/tablet. Then, press and hold a volume down plus Bixby plus power buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds. After that, release the buttons and press a volume up button in order to enter a download mode. Now, click on Next to start downloading firmware. Once downloading and verifying firmware process gets over, the Android Repair program automatically begins to repair issue on your Android phone. So, this is all about how to turn off safe mode in Samsung phone. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.